The first humid air motor for the Norwegian fishing industry. The Norwegian vessel Kvannøy is the world's first fishing vessel to benefit from humid air motor technology. In daily speak, humid air motor is abbreviated to HAM. At commissioning test and technical sea trials, Kvannøy's NOx exhaust gas emissions were reduced by more than 60%. From the very beginning, the purse seiner trawler Kvannøy, which was built in 2002, has been synonymous with very advanced ship design and sophisticated propulsion technology. Examples are a reduction gearbox with two-step PTO, floating frequency, a PTO-PTH shaft alternator motor with a power boost function. These are some of the remarkable features which were already introduced 10 years ago with the Kvannøy new building. Today, the Kvannøy's innovative owners, Nyholm AS from Bodø, have again taken a pioneering step, this time in the field of NOx exhaust gas reduction systems. After a rebuilding process performed at Prime Serv Frederikshavn in Denmark, the main engine has successfully been retrofitted with a HAM system. As a result, Kvannøy now operates the world's first humid air motor on board a fishing vessel. It's also worth noting that this high-tech fishing vessel has become the world's second HAM vessel of all types. The main engine is an MAN Type 16 V2832A, rated at 3,920 kilowatts at 775 revolutions per minute. The seatrial test results showed a NOx emission of only 3.6 grams per kilowatt-hour, measured according to the IMO MARPOL E2 test cycle. This corresponds to a total reduction of 61.3% compared to the emission of the main engine running with its original charge air coolers, without HAM. HAM systems have already been thoroughly tested and proven in operation in 2 stationary diesel power plants, and additionally in more than 10 years of successful operation on board the Viking Line-operated cruise ferry Mariella. With the HAM system, the turbocharger charge air is saturated with seawater vapor before it enters the charge air channels and engine combustion chamber. As a result, the temperature peaks in the combustion process are lowered and NOx formation is reduced. The operational advantages of the HAM principle are major NOx reductions, good performance at full and partial load, very low operational costs since no NOx-reducing agents are required, reduced fuel oil consumption, and no requirements for low sulfur fuels. Good engine performance, reduced thermal load gives a cleaner engine and longer time between overhauls. Low maintenance requirements because of a self-supporting system. It's an environmentally sound method, mainly by using seawater, and only a small amount of chemical additive is needed to prevent the formation of lime deposits from heated seawater. The main components in the humid air motor system are the HAM vessel, the humidifier, the HAM catch tank, the HAM water supply and preheating units, the HAM control and monitoring system. The HAM system layout and installation on board Kvannøy was performed in close cooperation with the DNV Classification Society. MAN Prime Serv's Service Centre Denmark in Frederikshavn handled the installation and engine retrofit in cooperation with their French colleagues and HAM experts.
At the beginning, we are ramping from 0 to 50% of this into 90 seconds.
Some of the HAM system units, as well as the control and monitoring equipment, were supplied by MAN Diesel and Turbo SAS in Saint-Nazaire in France. NOx reduction via HAM systems. More than 60% reduction has been achieved on board Kvannøy. An environmentally sound NOx reduction method by using seawater, which results in very low operational costs. MAN Diesel and Turbo is the world's leading provider of large-bore diesel engines and turbo machinery for marine and stationary applications. Customers receive worldwide after-sales and retrofit services marketed under the MAN PrimeServe brand. MAN Diesel and Turbo, engineering the future since 1758.